Welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's Skill Matters, what we have for you is how to make Nigerian African salad without potash. On the table is the yummy and delicious result of it all. If you want to know how I make Nigerian salad without potash, sit back with a glass of soft drink and watch. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always clicking, and to you that has not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified each time we upload a new video. Like, share and drop your comment to encourage us. Meanwhile, let's get into preparing the Nigerian African salad without potash together. Recipe for today is shredded tapioca. I soaked it for 30 minutes. This is our African oil bean. This is our normal white beans, but I use this millet leaf to brand it to replace our normal native brand beans called akede in Igbo. This is my onion. I cut it in two different forms. This one I cut like a ring. I'm going to use it to garnish it. And this is my fresh pepper. This is our cow skin. This is our fried fish. I use palm oil to fry it. This is our crayfish and our seasoning cube. This is our garden egg. This is my Calabash nutmeg. This is the seed. This is how it looks like before I grinded it. This is my salt. And lastly, this is my palm oil. If you must use a palm oil for your African salad, it must be a fresh palm oil. I want to blend part of my tapioca shrubs and pepper. Now I'm going to add hot water for the blending. I will keep blending it until it is smooth. Right now, I want to turn the blended tapioca inside my pot. This is my palm oil. I want to start mixing it with the blended tapioca. If you must try this recipe, it must be with a flowing oil, okay, to get the best results so far. You will keep mixing it, you will keep mixing it, you will keep mixing it until you get the best and right consistency needed. It all depends on your choice, okay? Yeah. Right now, I will add my crayfish. And after my crayfish, I will add my seasoning cube. Now I'll start mixing it with the oil. I will keep on mixing it and mixing it. Mix. Now I'll add my blended Calabash nut milk and my salt. Now I'll start mixing again. Start mixing it and keep mixing it until I get it right. Now we'll test to see if anything needs to be added, and I found out that it was wow. Add my onion and I stir and mix together again. Add my cow skin. Remember that this cow skin, I've seasoned it with onion and pepper before using it, so it has a very good taste, okay? I'll keep mixing it. Look at how beautiful that looks like. I'll now add my shredded African oil bean, and I mix thoroughly. This is going to be so yummy. I can feel the yumminicious yummy. Wow, I love this. I'll test again. Lovely. Right now I'm going to add my shredded tapioca, which is the basic recipe we are using today. And I'm going to stir it or mix it with other recipes together. Now mix it very well. On this stage you can eat the tapioca like that if you want, but for me and the way I was brought up, I cannot eat it like this. I'm going to simmer it for it to be hot before eating it. It's on the heat now. I will now add my brown beans. Remember how I achieved these brown beans? I use my millet leaf to achieve this because in my place there is a beans called akede. That beans is a native brown beans, so we eat it with this tapioca. Okay, you will mix it and keep on mixing it, and for the last time I will test it. This is lovely. Guys, the Nigerian African salad without potash is ready. It is so yummy and delicious. Please give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed what you see today. This is all we have for you for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.